Wellair fiber fabric air duct material has good moisture-proof, mildew-proof performance. After special treatment such as adding mildew-proof agent, even after many times of washing can still maintain its mildew-proof, formaldehyde-resistant properties, and will not affect its bacteriostatic effect. This helps to maintain the cleanliness of the air in the textile factory and reduce the breeding of bacteria. Fiber fabric air ducts can be easily disassembled and cleaned for relatively simple maintenance. This helps to improve the clean quality of indoor air and meet higher requirements for health and environmental protection. According to a survey, the cleanliness of the workshop of a textile factory with a fiber fabric air duct system can be improved by about 30%. Wellair fiber fabric air duct through the gap and multiple rows of small holes to achieve uniformity of the overall air supply, helping textile factories to maintain a stable temperature and humidity environment to meet the needs of different processes on the temperature and humidity to ensure smooth production.